In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily connect Slack with Figma using a tool called Make, formerly Integromat. Let's get started. Step 1 is to set up Make. Click the link in the description to go to make.com, or just simply sign up for a free account using Google, Facebook, GitHub, or email. Once signed in, head to your dashboard. Step 2 is to create a new Integromat or scenario account. Click on Create Scenario. Press the plus icon to add your first app. Search for Slack and select it. Step 3 is to set up Slack triggers. Choose a trigger like Watch Public Channels messages, like actives when a new message is posted in a public channel, and then connect your Slack account and authorize access. Step 4 is to add Figma actions. Click the plus icon again to add another app and search for Figma. Choose an action such as post a comment or list comment on a file. Connect your Figma account and allow permissions. Step 5 is to run and test the integration. Click Run once to test your scenario. If everything is working, the trigger is Slack will automatically post actions in Figma. Step 6 is to explore templates. This is just an optional. Use Maker's templates for inspirational or pre-built integrations. You can customize templates to fit your specific needs. Step 7 is to get support. If you run into issues, use the help section on Make or contact customer support by pasting the scenario's URL link. And done. That's it. You've successfully connected Slack and Figma for seamless teamwork. Thank you for watching.